Hey everybody, it's Amar Sansilla and welcome back to my channel. I want to show you how to prepare Myanmar style barbecue and the basic spices that is used. I have here two things that I wanted to barbecue. This is a pound of ribeye steak cut into cubes. I want to prepare this in a Myanmar Indian style way and make it into like a kebabs. And what I have here is a pound of colossal shrimp, and I want to marinate this in a Myanmar style way. Let's start with the colossal shrimp. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of ginger, a little bit of turmeric, sometimes people would also put a dash of fish sauce in to enhance the flavor. But this time around, I'm not going to use fish sauce because I just want it to be a dry rub. So this looks good. I'll mix it up in a little bit. For the ribeye steak, I want to season it the Myanmar Indian style way. So what I need is a little bit of garlic, a little bit of ginger, turmeric, a little bit of paprika or chili powder, a little bit of garam masala, and some salt and pepper. Again, some people would put fish sauce into this mixture, as well as some salt, because it's kind of like layering the flavors in. But today, since I want a dry rub, I'm not going to put the fish sauce in. One more thing we're going to add here is some yogurt. You can add plain yogurt. What I have is some vanilla yogurt, so I'm going to go ahead and add that as well. So let me just go ahead and mix it all up. The aroma of the turmeric, the ginger, the garlic just comes on through and it smells divine. It smells really good. If you put fish sauce in it, the fish sauce aroma will come on through as well. So you can see that it's a little bit golden yellow hue from the turmeric. Let's go ahead and mix those up. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the garam masala because I want that aroma to come on through. And I'm gonna mix that up. Oh, it smells good. Then I'm going to add the yogurt to it. Not only does it make it flavorful, it kind of tenderizes the meat as well. And again, it's vanilla yogurt, so it's going to make it a little slightly sweet. I'm going to cover these, put them in the fridge, and let it marinate overnight. And tomorrow, we just need to grill them and serve it with a side of salad. Oh, doesn't that look amazing? The shrimp is pink and it's curled up, so basically it's done, but I want a little bit of char on it, so I'm gonna leave it on for just a minute or so. And let's take a look at the barbecue beef. Oh my gosh, can you see it just fell off the skewer? It is done. Doesn't that look delish? I'm gonna enjoy this barbecue with a salad, and my husband and I are gonna have a quick lunch break and enjoy the beautiful weather I hope this episode inspired you to try Myanmar style barbecue at home. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you click that notification bell so that you'll be notified of every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.